Hello 8th graders, welcome to Ag class. My name is Mr. Branscombe and I'm going to be your teacher in class this year. You know, Ag class is a little different than some of the other classes. You get to be bussed offsite out here each day to our 20-acre school farm. We're going to do amazing activities involving plants, animals, ag mechanics, leadership, and so much more. You see, in Ag class and FFA, we wear a lot of different hats. So in this short introductory video, I want to show you just a few of the hats that you're going to be wearing in my class this year.
Okay, I wish we had buffalo to learn about an ag, but we don't. Instead, we're going to learn about these cattle.
See, the first thing that we're going to learn in class is commercial cattle grading. You're learning the difference between steers, heifers, and cows, and looking at them just as if you were going to a sale barn to buy them. But my favorite animal that we learn about this year, you can probably guess it. Chickens. We are going to spend a whole month in class covering chickens. We're going to hatch out eggs, and from the incubator all the way to processing them. We're going to learn about laying hens, broilers, ducks, and turkeys, and I can't wait to teach you more about poultry this year. So one of the first questions 8th graders ask me when they come to Ag class is, Mr. Branscombe, is one of those hats we get to wear a welding helmet? Do we get to weld? And the answer is no. No, actually 8th graders do not get to weld in Ag class. Now, while you might be disappointed about not getting to weld, there is a hat that you're going to wear, and it's not really a hard hat, but it is that of working in woodworking. As a class, we're going to work on some planters and some games and some different ag mechanic side of things that actually involve wood. In addition, we're going to do some small engines. I've got lawnmower engines that we're going to tear down and put together again. And also, as your class will be my first 8th grade class that actually gets to use tractor simulators, miniature tractors, to actually test pulling power and different mechanical sides of that with small engines. One of my favorite hats that you're literally going to wear in my class this year is a beekeeping hat, actually a whole beekeeping suit. You see, behind me I have about 15 to 20,000 bees in our indoor observation hive. You're going to learn more about bees than you ever thought imaginable. Now I know some of you guys are allergic to bees or maybe just a little freaked out by them. No need to worry. This indoor observation hive lets bees go in and out and lets us come up and see capped honey and bees hard at work, all from the safety of being on the other side of the glass. But we're not going to learn just about the live side of animals. We raise them for a product and for a reason. And we're going to learn about that in class this year. We're going to learn about meat science. We're going to learn how to identify different cuts of pork, beef, and lamb. And of course, if we're going to learn about them, we've got to try them. That means we're grilling steaks and chicken in class. One of the coolest parts around the school farm is actually the greenhouse where I'm at right now. Now, unfortunately, this time of year, the greenhouse is not very green. In fact, fake flowers are the only thing I could really find. But by the end of the year, this greenhouse will be full of over 12,000 plants. And you'll be part of taking care of these for our annual Stillwater FFA sale. In addition, you're going to learn thriller, filler, and spiller elements to make a hanging basket as one of your semester grades during the spring. But the greatest hat that you get the chance to wear in this class is actually not a hat at all, but it's this FFA jacket. You see, all of you guys, by being a part of our Ag class, are also a member of the Stillwater FFA chapter. This organization for kids in 8th through 12th grade teaches you leadership opportunities, gives you chance for various competitions, scholarships, community service. We travel all over the country, Indianapolis, Washington, D.C., and even Tulsa to our own state FFA convention. Now, being a part of FFA, you all are members of the organization by being in my class. But being part of it is not a requirement for this class, and it's not tied to your grade at all. However, I think it's a thing that if you get the most involved in, you'll see your life completely changed and transformed through wearing this blue jacket. So to wrap this video up, I don't know which of these hats that you'll enjoy wearing the most this year, but it's my goal to push you out of your comfort zone and help you find some amazing opportunities through your 8th grade ag class. You know, there's quite a few things that I didn't even talk about today, from giving shots to our simulators, to flying drones, to actually working with fish and tilapia through our aquaponics system. There's so many opportunities in this class, and my goal for you in 8th grade ag this year is to help you find that hat that fits you the most. I so look forward to seeing you guys on the first day of school. Take care.